Hey.
I didn't see the light on. Whoa, it looks actually like a new car. This easily fixed, but this looks like
Yeah, I gotta put everything back, but
holy shit, this is fire.
so I just got back the headliner from the Starlight install. So I'm just gonna toss everything back in. We had to take out the right front seat just so it could fit in nicer. Update. I adjusted the B pillars, the C pillars. I just gotta work on the A's and the left side now. Just finished putting back everything. So the headliner, A, B, and C pillars were wrapped and suede. Then the plastic pieces and the handle were painted.
I'm from a place where these guys wanna kickball, old school, play out of the back, no pressure. Two evils, I think one lesser. I can't mix business with pleasure. And I live so close to the edge, it's 100% suede, I don't do leather. I still think they got a vendetta. I seen pride in your eyes, but I know what it's like. Like I told you it's like, then I told you I'm right. Bag for the night or a bag overnight. You know me, I'm nice, but I'll save you the lecture. Disagree to agree, so I'm blessed now.
So I'm pulling up the radio. I'm just gonna unplug all these connectors and just transfer some stuff over. There's about 7 connectors. So I'm just gonna start transferring over some stuff onto the new unit, and I'm gonna toss it back in.
You in touch with someone you could buy from, but I can't leave a bag on. Start the car like I know where to drive from. Couple girls that I still got my, plus a fit that I still wanna try on. That's a suit from the mob, put a tie on. That's a hill that I'm willing to die on. I could tell it's half-hearted.
Up everything. It's a bit of a mess back there, but I'm just gonna see if this works real quick.
I took the A41 up to Barnet, then the 406 next to Harsden. It's insane if I stay in one lane. I'm showing my range, I'm pushing the Merc in the rain. The Air Force is white cocaine. I've seen this movie before. Just killed off Mary Jane. The shit that we charge to the game. Long live the name, can't be persuaded. 100 on suede, 100 on suede, 100 on, yeah.
Let's fucking go! Okay, I'm just gonna make sure the CarPlay works. Finally got it to connect. I had to restart my iPhone.
I'm that same old body with the steez. In a baked outfit, got a shark on the hood of my top and the ape of my tee. Been a minute since I linked with the bro, said link up soon, let's talk over tea. These days it's all about flex and talk, but bro, I'm trying to make this pee.
Picked up this 2017 Honda Civic Type R. It's got the winter tires on there, but I'm gonna put some new tires in a little bit. Yeah. Here's a little walk around. It's just on springs right now. 30.
30 something now?
Yep. No, that's how it is. Yeah. That's how it is. I'll adjust it after.
My bro just came uptown with the latest drink and a few hot cups. And a vintage whip just gliding, stay sliding in a coupe drop top. Hey, baby girl, I got T-no techie. Wait, tell me why you never come check me. You tell me that I'm way too spendy. Wait, babes, I'm just too flexy. I got eyes on my chest, that's fair.